Python, TypeError, argument of type comment is not iterable. I'm trying to code a simple Reddit bot which will get into a subreddit, get into a submission, read the comments, and if a comment says feels it'll post a feels GIF. I get this error, type error, argument of type comment is not iterable when trying to do has underscore feels equals feels in comment. My code. Error report. First two lines are the printouts of the code until it breaks. Anyone know how to fix this so if comment contains feels somewhere inside of it it will set has underscore feels to true? Also, once it does go through all of the comments in a submission, it just stops, it doesn't go on to the next submission. Anyone know how to fix that? If you don't know right away, don't bother looking anything up for me, I can find that part out.
Comment here looks to be an object with attributes which inherently is not iterable like a list or a string. From the PRA documentation, you need to access the comments text via the body attribute. So something like, here's some examples about why what you're currently doing does not work.